Let's get started with some basic information about murder mystery parties. Here at Tuoni Studios, we have a saying, even death can be a lively experience. It's funny because it's true. A murder mystery party is the perfect way to entertain, fit for everything from family gatherings to private parties, as well as corporate events. Every participant will have a role to play in the program, and they'll get a chance to plot against other participants, stab their friends in the back, and most importantly, forget their ordinary lives for a couple of hours. At the center of this story is a cold-blooded murder case, one that takes razor-sharp wit, social intelligence, and interrogational skills to solve. Or just a really lucky guess. Despite the name, a murder mystery is really not dead serious. The most important thing is to have fun and create an unforgettable memory together. How does it all work then? Before the event, every participant will receive a character that they will be playing in the mystery, usually by email. The host will be present at the event as the organizer and take care of the guests so that they can concentrate on having fun. The guests won't need any acting skills. Talking with other people is all that is needed. Throwing oneself into the character is not mandatory, but definitely recommended. It is a social game, after all. The program takes about 2.5 to 3 hours and usually includes dinner. Murder mystery is suitable for all ages and genders. It is perfect entertainment for people who want to liven up their events with something a little out of the ordinary. We want to give people something to talk about for months afterwards.